Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Work hard. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Work harder Forex trading school. Today we are going to show you how we day trade on Aussie USD. You can see the move has come back. We have basically traded two times for this pair. First time we traded when we traded this pair. Back to the profile. Okay, let's check it out. Aussie USD. When did we added this position? July 22nd. This trade was active. We took profit 10 pips already. Previous trade 6 June top out. Trade July, latest 20 July. Profile. Okay, the other long position wasn't published, so this is the first long position that we took. It was yesterday, July 22nd. Back to the chart. Let's recall what happened, why we took the trade on the Aussie USD. So July 22nd, I believe I took the trade over here. Okay, let's read here. Okay, go in, took the trade on this long candle, hit the line. It's run that you guys can see. Okay, we took the trade here. Over here, it went up all the way. See how much it went up. We didn't take profit on this. It went to here, about 64 pips. We didn't take the 64 pips. It retraced back. See on the 1 4 hour what happened. Okay, took it here clearly. Just now we showed you, went all the way up. Let's look at this up. 64 pips. We didn't take profit, and on the same day, see, came back down. It came back down, and we'll stop. The trailing stop with 1 pip only. So now we are back in the position. We're kind enough, we're given a second chance, but this doesn't seem to be moving well. You want a good trade, you could take it somewhere here, a 200-day moving average. When you see engulfing candlestick happen over here, this is where you should take your trade, somewhere around here. The 200-day moving average would move, so I don't know where it would move to in future, but I recommend and suggest you to go long on the 200 moving average on the 1 hour. If you're looking on a 4 hour, it's very far. It's about here, 6.8. We might have a chance to go back to 6.8, then we take the long, but for now, I think with a very high probability trade over here, because it's very strong in nature. The last low to the point. This for the moment, this was where we are going to enter again. If you don't enter, it's up to you, but to me, I think very good chance of entering here, and then the bounce for it, bounce off, upwards. Okay, that's what I think. 15-minute chart, it shows you clearly this might be chance for a bounce, maybe lower than here, lower than previous low at about 7118 is a good price for entry on the Aussie USD. Let's see on the daily. If you have not checked out my take on the Aussie USD, why I changed my position from short to long. I was previously always very short, very bearish about the Aussie USD, but it has since crossed the 200-day moving average, SMMA. Okay, what is the SMMA? If you don't know, you can find it out. Check out here, SMMA. Okay, let's show you moving average. Okay, this is MA, is moving average. What is the simple moving average? Okay, did I put SMMA? There are many over here. You can take your look slowly what you like. Let me tell you the definition of SMA. Google it for you. Okay, it means smooth moving average. Okay, a very popular indicator widely used. So it has gone above. So if you miss this push, don't worry. When we come back on weekly time frame, we are still very far from it, but daily time frame, price retrace back to here 68, like what I said just now, good entry point. So why am I bullish? Number one, price closed above the 200 SMA. It looks strong because for you, if you can't see it, cross above, touch once, back up, then come back anymore. So we might not have chance to buy in this moving average anymore daily. Touch once and it goes strong. There's a reversal now, might have chance of entry if you dare. Then the second point is the move from 0.5506 to 0.764, 1,558 pips, about 83 days. So this was back then when I calculated. Use price range, go from the low to the high. I think it has increased even more now. See, it's 1,612 pips already. How many bars it took? The bars took. Okay, 125 days, 83 days. This was back here. Now it's 125 days, 89 bars. Few more bars have passed. About 125 days, if you see. Okay, so higher low was made at 0.7064, taking out previous supply zone. US is doing another round of QE since 2008. What happens? Means that your Aussie is going to go higher again. Please only risk 1% on this trade. So let's see, right, at the price scale. We are live now, so you see price. Hope I'm right because we are on live. The 1 minute, you see price stop on the line that I draw previously. Okay, it went back up. How many pips are we in? We just entered this trade. I'm talking, I've already set a trade during Let's see from here to here. 4 bar, 3 bar, 2 bar. Okay, 2 minutes. They're up 1.5 pip. Let's see if it's correct. This is on a 1 minute chart. Not that accurate on a 1 minute chart, so we always base our entry on a daily time frame. Once we decide that it's a long, then we'll go to the 4 hour and 1 hour and the 15 minute to check for entry position, which in this case I draw the horizontal line and we are going for a long entry. I don't think I'm going to stay that long, so remember the time now. We are currently, I'm in GMT plus 8. Okay, it's 1954. Current time is GMT plus 8, 1954. Let's put a mark here with a vertical line, the 15 minute. Okay, and we will see what is going to happen. Let's lock it. Okay, that's all we have for Aussie USD. The 1 minute later we will come back. We're going over to the Euro USD now. The Euro, we are also same. I have many things up here. I think it's very bullish. Let's delete everything. All these are not important anymore because the trend has changed. All these can be deleted. Okay, have a look clearly. This was drawn back then, quite some time ago. Let's Euro USD. That's fine. Let me show you how to use my Work Harder Forex Trading School trading view. Very simple. I tag them accordingly. So what you like, you can click on anything that you like. Now we are in the Euro USD, so let's click the Euro USD. And you can see on July 7 I posted about Euro USD. Almost a month. Okay, there was 5 chance for you to enter back then. If you did not take any of the 5 chances, so sorry, price did break above the 200s moving average, and it came back a few times together with the blue zone. This is the demand zone. Okay, and you can see very obvious price went where? The way up. Okay, this is very obvious. So what we are going to do now, back on the chart, let's analyze. I've not drawn any lines above the resistance, so now let me delete everything because all these are useless as previously, and we needed it when it was the trend. This, all this. Okay, I give you a, let's see where we can draw it. To draw all the lines easier and not so complicated, let's take a look at a line chart. Very simple. Take the horizontal line. Okay, let's find the peak to trough. This is one of the peak. Then you pick along. Let's find the most. Okay, over here, this is a very good line. This is the support, and it turned resistance over here. So this is a very critical zone right now. If we manage to close higher than this, then we are looking for a long position on pullback. Remember, on pullback we will enter long. Do not enter now. Price is quite high, so here's first zone. Second zone will be here. How do I draw it? Very simple. You see, we put the line down. You see, there's here. This is a, let's zoom in for you. See, there's double bottom. Here, so many bottom have formed. Put a line about here at best fit. Then you see here, there's a resistance. This is support, 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 support. Then it turn resistance, 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 resistance. So very simple. These are the two lines that we are looking. If this point is taken out clearly, we would move 200 pips to 1.173, about 100 over pip, 200 pips profit. But we are not taking it here because it's relatively high. So where should we take it? Very simple. Go into the 4 hour. As you have seen, we did our analysis on daily time frame over here. We've completed the line, then we go to the 4 hour time frame. We know that we are going long. Let's delete everything previously. They're useless now. Okay, everything is gone. Let's find a very strong demand zone, which I think would be good. Let me. Okay, there are a few demand zones here. There's one demand zone over here. This was the previous demand zone that I drawn, but 1, 2, 3, 4, so many times. I don't think we would ever get back here anymore. So a realistically place to long here. If price close above, price has already closed above. The daily, it has also already closed above. So very simple. This is a no-brainer. What we will do, let's delete this as well. What we will do is very simple. Let's take the brush tool. I draw for you what I predict the movement is like, but it might not be correct. So we're predicting a drop to here and rebound back up, hopefully. Okay, let's. So when it's here, remember to enter. Don't know the price. Let me draw a horizontal line for you. 1.1425. Okay, GMT plus 8 2001. Okay, this is a timing that I have gave you the signal at this time. Okay, let's hope nothing goes wrong, and we'll stay tuned and monitor the Euro USD. So now we are moving on to our next favorite pair. We have been out of this pair for the longest time ever. Wow, you see, it's in our zone. This is one of the best pair. I can't believe what I'm drawing. You see, this was the time I took the position. We were stopped out 1%. We lost over here. Okay, so we were stopped out and waiting patiently. You see over here, June 20th. Today is about 1 month time. We waited patiently for 1 month. We are still in the zone. Hey, this is very fun. We are in the zone. Okay, you see, let me show you in the zone. Let's get this lock transparent. Okay, let me analyze for you, and how are we going to trade this pair. It's going to be a very big breakout soon, I hope. Over here there's an engulfing candlestick, not that very good. This is a bullish engulfing, but it didn't close more than this. So if you took the trade here and you didn't take profit, you'll be stopped out definitely. So we will stop out once. Okay, the next time a bullish engulfing candlestick appear, here, here, twice. If you take the trade here and you didn't take profit, it was stopped out as well. This was on the 4 hour. And where was it? Where am I? Let's go further ahead. Over here, there's one more bullish engulfing candlestick appear. How many is it now? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th bullish engulfing candlestick. If you take the trade here and you didn't take profit, yeah, you are still, oh, okay. If you took the trade here, we have a demand zone inside another demand zone. If you took the trade here, you have not been stopped out, and you can see there's one more bullish engulfing candlestick coming up over here. Okay, this is on the 4-hour. We have 5 bullish engulfing candlestick inside the zone. But on a daily time frame, there's only one bullish engulfing candlestick. And if you would have taken the trade on a daily time frame here, you would still not have been stopped out. Okay, I think this is a very good place to enter your trade. So let's draw it now. Let's get it document over here. Okay, we might be entering. Give me a day to think over it. Let's get this. Okay, end zone. Where did I draw it? This is original. Okay, on the 4-hour we drew it. Let's change the color so that you guys know this belongs to the 4-hour. 4-hour, let's use a better color, green. Okay, green means profit, red means loss, so try not to use red lines. I use red lines because you guys can see it easier, but we try not to use red line. Try to use more green. So you see very clearly engulfing. You see the long wick, 1 long wick, 2 long wick. We have 2 long wick here. In the 4-hour chart, not that obvious, but on the daily there's a long wick. The next engulfing candlestick, let's see. I think we do not need to wait. Let's take the trade now. Give me a moment. I'll hop over to my trading platform. Okay. This trade, very good trade. Okay, I've opened the trade. Let's see, where are we in. We have entered at 1.9065. This entry point. Long. So we are long. We have entered. Put the time frame in as well. GMT plus 8 2006. Okay, we are long here. 1% of your portfolio as usual, and we'll see if we take profit where. So let's go on the weekly time frame. Wow, the take profit level. Okay, draw it for you. I don't know if we can achieve this take profit, but try to, once we are 50 pip in profit, please move your stop loss to break even so that we do not lose that much. Okay, let me draw it for you. Where they go? Long position. Okay, let's draw it. Okay, let's set it 1%. Remember, 1% of your capital. Entry price 1.9065. Okay, take profit about 2040. Top level 188467. I think it's too low. Let's dive deeper into the smaller time frame. Okay, let's do it here. This is a very good 18952. 18952. Stop loss. Okay, this is where we are stopping for stop loss, just below the demand zone, 1.852. Okay, let's lock it. Well, how long to reach the target? I don't know, so let's just wait. This is where we are, 5%. Okay, we are in. Risk to reward 8.63 is a bit very high, but this is quite a risky trade, so move your stop loss. Okay, as we are speaking, let's go back to the Aussie USD. Let's see what happened. Okay, can you see? Basically, if you haven't took the trade, you should take it long. The 1 minute, you see, first time, second time. Okay, I put a too tight a stop loss, so we are stopped out because my stop loss was very near here. So now, if you want, I think this is a, you see, there's a doji created, very obvious doji. 15 minute, are we closing? 2 dojis here. This how the line. Remove it? No, let's see it first. This one doji, this might be the second doji. I don't know if I'm correct, but we are risking 1%. Let's okay, I'm out of this trade. Remember, I'm out of this trade. I'm into this trade. This is a much more profitable trade that I think it would turn out. So I'm long here. Will we get to the when and how long? I foresee it's quite a long way to reach our profit. But yeah, for there's one more pair that we are covering, the USD JPY. Okay, we are out of this pair. It's been sideways. We do not have a trading plan for a sideways market, so I'm out. Let's talk about 3M, which we previously entered. This is 3M company. Okay, this red line we bought here on this red line. It was 10 July or 13 July. Okay, we bought this in July, 154.73. We entered, and this was the analysis we done before. Okay, for new viewers, for the sake you haven't seen me talking about 3M, let's click on 3M. These are the trades I published. July 13, July 15. Let's go to the July 13 one. Let's see, I've joined this the double bottom. Going forward, over here, nice double bottom formation. Let's click in. This was the on June 4, 1 month ago. I drew this. Okay, you might be looking to enter, but the entry price not yet decided on June 4. Then come July 13, almost 1 month later, I realized there's an entry point, and I entered. I say to enter at 154.96. I didn't get in at this price. I got in at this price. I did a market entry, so I just click buy and I just buy 155.06, and I'm in. So today, reviewing our trade, 154.73. This is wrong. 154. Okay, am I right? Let me see. No. My average open is not this price. 155.06. Got it at 155.0. So the 06. This was our entry point. So basically, this is a profitable trade, and we are waiting to take profit. Where are we taking profit? Very simple. We are also expecting price to move. Let's get the brush in. We are also expecting price to move up to about this level. This 200-day moving average. About there, but we are hoping, fingers crossed, we are hoping it go all the way to where? All the way up about here to this zone. Okay, somewhere here. I take profit about $220. Not such a short time frame, but a longer time frame. might take quite some time to reach. Same as usual, 1% of your capital in this trade, PM. Let's have a look at other stocks that I'm looking at. What I think you can get in. I think it's good for you. Let's see. This is a good stock, Data Nexus. They are monitoring, but we don't know when we will enter. July 21, I think the first time we talked about this stock was June 26, and we are still looking at this. This is SPX, so everyone likes this, and you see we are going to break here. Once we break here, then wait for the retracement and enter long. It's Biogen. This is a pharmaceutical stock. This was, let me see, June 22. I talk about Biogen. Let's click in June 22. Okay, we say it's still at value. What happened after? Came up. You bought it on day. Let's refresh. The June 22. June 22 here. Okay, it's the next candle bar after this. Remember, over here you buy in on this day 265 about the price, and if you manage to sort at the high of 294.99, I don't think you can get it, but this is one of stock that we are still monitoring. We have a great chance. Let's see, July 21st, what are we looking at? We are waiting for the price to cross the 200-day moving average and close above. You see, it crossed the first time, it didn't finish above, so we will wait it to be close above, then we'll decide if we buy in Biogen. Okay, next we have 3M, Aussie USD, Unilever. This is the very classic stock. June 8, wait for entry. I posted over here. You can click. June 8 is over here. Everything is recorded. So July 13, I posted one more time. We buy at 54.83. Let's see, we did not get it because our price was too low. Our entry price was really low. We didn't get it and price went up. The same, this break the 200-day moving average, close above. This stock is going to fly, so but we miss it, and I'm not going to chase the price. Let's see Twitter. Twitter is one of the most classic example. I talk about it on June 7. Let's see June 7 what happened. Looking to enter Twitter in this zone. Okay, I told you to look for the entry on June 7. Did I enter? I didn't enter. It came back down. It broke my entry price. I didn't buy because I forget about this stock totally. And you see Twitter, what happened now? We missed this badly. I didn't see. Okay, you see a play. Wow, great move. We missed this, so let's not talk about this anymore. We were not observant enough. Then let's talk about Temper. This is a big company, Temper. If you don't know, let me show you. Very expensive brand. I'm from Singapore, so you see as Temper mattress. You see, wow, how much are they selling? Can I find an offer? Let's see what's the cheapest they're selling their bed at. Great Singapore sales promotion. Divan bed frame, 799 purchase with purchase. No bed. Basically the beds cost about 2,000 to 3,000 USD. Sorry, 2,000 to 3,000 Singapore dollar. The good stock. we didn't get in. Same price ran 67.375, we didn't manage to get in. It went to 75.11, make a very little profit, but it's still profit. EG as well, Procter Gamble, we posted. I called for the trade on June 5, June 8, okay, but it was June 5 when I called it. I posted on June 8, so see what happened. Buy here. Okay, we did not manage to enter because I was waiting to get back onto the 200-day moving average for entry. Price didn't come back, and you see where it is now today, gone above the previous high. Okay, that's about it. Quite a few trades. Johnson & Johnson, I missed it as well. Okay, I missed this badly as well. It came back to the 200-day, but I didn't enter, so this was my fault. What else? I have many on my trading view. You can take a look when free. So thank you for watching, and before we go, let's take a look at the last trade that we did. The GBP NZD trade. Again, have a look. Let's show you. Okay, where is the, I remember I typed in something. Where did I put it? Oh, it's here. Okay, I'm going to publish this later on. Okay, long at 1.09, 1.9065, 1.9065. What's the current price? 1.90. Oh, we made a few pips. Okay, let's wait and hold out. And I would like to tell you, this is a very good trade. If you didn't take it, I'm out of this trade, but it seems holding off very well on the 1 minute. But let's not take it too seriously on a 1 minute chart, because it's just a 1 minute chart. Let's have a look on the bigger picture, the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart, and see if this would be the one of the best entry. Would be about here. If you're back at the 200-day moving average, that would be great. But if we don't get there, I don't know. I'm not in, because 1% of my trade I decided to take on the GBP NZD, so I'm not in this trade. But let's see, let's update you tomorrow on this trade. Seems very good, very promising on the 15-minute. It's doing so well on the, okay, same, you see 200-day came back down and it went back up, but this is a 1 minute trade, so let's not see so much on the 1 minute trade. Go to 4-hour or the 1 hour. The engulfing candlestick is going to come out again. Let's hope it close really engulf the whole red candlestick. Then I think we are on route 1959 minimum. We would be going back there. And if we were lucky enough, we'll go higher to 1966. And if we are even lucky enough, go to 2040 on the weekly. Go back to the 200-day. You see 200-day respected, come down, nearly reached, didn't reach. Let's see if it reached the D. Okay, so let's pray hard, and thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, Forex Trading School, work harder, learn it good, learn it free. So thank you for watching, and I'll stop my live stream now. Thank you very much, and remember, click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell notification to get live stream